In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the radiator cooling fan control module in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. With a 10mm socket and a long extension, we're going to go in right in front of the battery, and there's two bolts that we have to take off right down here. Loosen those two bolts. And you can use a magnet if you're having trouble getting that bolt out. And if your vehicle has any covers in this area, you want to take those down. This vehicle does not. You can see the module right here. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide that connector out. I need to pry that out a little bit. Slide that out. And the other connector, same, you can twist it around if you need to. Use a small screwdriver, pry this out. And disconnect the connector. And it slides right out. Take the module, grab one of the bolts. If you can reach above, try to get it, the bolt started in the hole. Get the module close to the mounting bolt. If you can get it started. If you're having trouble, you could always have a helper up top trying to tighten the bolt while you do this. Now I can connect the connectors, line that up. Lock it down. Same with the other connector. And lock that one down as well. All right, those are locked in. Now if you have any shields, you want to put those back right now. And take the bolts, get the other bolt started. And snug that down, and snug the other one down. And that's good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.